Hi guys, in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to make $300 using this app and also this website. They have an app and they have a website. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. But before I get into this video, I want you guys to promise me two simple favors. Just smash that like button for me and don't forget to take action after watching this video, right? So the website we are going to be using for this is called peopleperhour.com. I will leave a link in the description box below so you can easily access this. So what is this people per hour? So this is like a freelance website whereby you can register as a freelancer and do simple tasks like graphic design, copywriting, speaking, spokesperson video and all that, and get paid at the end of the day. And you can also hire someone in case you want to hire someone as a freelancer to do job for you. So it's similar to fiverr.com. But I'll tell you guys the benefit of this over Fiverr. This is not yet saturated. Fiverr is people are complaining that it's saturated, but this is not saturated. So I'll tell you guys all the benefits of jumping into this wonderful platform. So trusted by thousands of businesses globally. So as you can see, they have up to 1 million businesses, 2 million freelancers, and they have paid up to 130 million pounds to their freelancers. So this is a whole lot, but it's not yet saturated, and they have been seen on blogs, top blogs like BBC, Business Insider, CNBC, Forbes, The Independent, and the rest. So they have been into big brands and they have written about them and all that. So that's basically what they're trying to tell you. So discover freelancer, so you can hire in a minute and pay per hour. So in case you're out there, you know how to do graphic design, logo design and all that, you have a skill that you can market, you can easily register to these people per hour and just register and start making it happen for you guys. Like I said, I'll tell you guys the benefit over this and Fiverr. So it has a whole lot of benefits. Instead of using Fiverr, you can easily use this and register. So people per hour connects you to business, to an international community of freelancers who want nothing more than to help your business succeed. So that's basically what they do. They connect you to your freelancer so you can be able to make your project work for you in case you want to hire someone. That's what I'm saying. But in case you Hi guys, in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to make $300 using this app and also this website. They have an app and they have a website. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. But before I get into this video, I want you guys to promise me two simple favors. Just smash that like button for me and don't forget to take action after watching this video, right? So the website we are going to be using for this is called peopleperhour.com. I will leave a link in the description even quicker, so you can receive response ASAP and they will just deliver the work for you. So when you go to a project in mind, post it using our project writing tool. So if you have any project, just post it using their project tool. It will program to ask you all the right questions to help you get your projects ready for publishing. So they use their artificial intelligence to match you. As you can see, our artificial intelligence system does the hard work, matching and connect the best freelancer talent for you and your project. So they use their AI to connect you. So once you register, you edit your profile. If you register and send them your profile, they will wait approval. It's just like a 3 days wait. Then they approve you. You build your profile, put your portfolio, all the samples and stuff that you have done in the past. You put it on your profile so that people will know that you are credible and can see the works you have done so that they can trust you more. Just make sure you stick to the very end of this video. I have a bonus tip I'm going to show you guys, and I'll show you guys how to register successfully using this website. So if you have any question or any comment, leave it on the comment below. Like you know me, I always respond to all my comments. That's because I value you guys and I hope you guys value me as well. So explore more offers, discover fixed prices offers. People per hour give you unique ways to discover services to grow your business. Explore fixed prices offer as little as £10. So you can read all this, go through all this, you benefit a whole lot. Top categories: 3D modeling, marketing videos, Twitter followers and all that. So post design for graphic people, bookkeeping in case you're into bookkeeping, and they have for copywriting, right? So trusted experts trust our experts to help you grow your business. So they have experts that you can trust, and these are some of the things that people have been saying about this website, and you can go through all this and read their reviews and all that. So this is an example of what you see in case you want to hire someone. So for a freelancer, this is how your profile will look to someone that wants to hire you. I will create and manage 5 social media posts for your business for £25. So just go through all this and trust our experts to help you grow your business. We carefully check everyone before allowing them into our platform. So while filling this, make sure you fill in with your correct information, because they will check to verify that you are legit and you can do the work or the skill that you are advertising for. So make sure it's something you can do. Don't just come here and trying to maneuver and find a way to make a big bucks. It won't work for you. These people are quite strict. So working with an expert in the field of work, above every freelance is selected, reviewed by people per hour community. So go through all this. This is they collaborate with ease and speed. People per hour will give you clearly marked inbox of taxes, structured trace of communication, simple and organized invoicing. So go through all these. They are protected, and they have their customer service where you can contact them and check any question or anything you have with them. So you can easily join, click for join, and you can join them right here. What our customers saying, what our customers are saying, you can view all this. I don't want to, you can go through all this. These are the reviews, and you can see it's from Trustpilot, so have up to 4-star reviews. So they are very good to go, and like I said, it's not saturated like Fiverr, so it's a good way to start making it. So this is join now. I can click on this and start joining now. Okay, so before I join now, I want to show you guys something quick, so you guys won't say I'm making this up. So let me go here real quick and type graphic designer. Let me copy it, because I will copy, then find your expert. I'll click on find your expert. So we load up, and it will show me the top graphic designers that they have, or all of them, their result, and get an idea of how much they charge. So these guys can see charge 25 USD, 25 USD, 20 USD, 10 USD, 55. This is 80. This guy charges 80, and you can view this if you want to. But what I want to show you guys is this. As you can see, this page has up to, let me say, four rows. It has 4 rows, and it has 6 columns. So this is 6 columns. In case you don't understand what I did, 1 2 3 4. This is 4. 1 2. If you go down, 3 4 5 6. So 4 by 6 is 24. So that's 24, and they have 85 pages right here. So let me quickly open up a calculator and show you guys. So 24 times 85 rather. So 24 times 85 we give you 2000 something. We give you 2000 something, right? But if you go to fiverr.com and paste the same graphic design and search real quick, you see the result it will give you. As you can see, they have up to 12,000 services available. 12,000 here, 12,000. So you can't compare 12,000 to 2,000. So that's why I said Fiverr is saturated with the same search that we did, the same search, graphic designer. So as you can see, this one is not yet saturated, so you can start taking advantage from this website. So it's wonderful. So start taking advantage, and I assure you guys it will work out for you. And another thing about this website is that they pay way better than Fiverr. They pay more than Fiverr in terms of a startup. As you are starting, you can start with 20 USD and you can be able to make a sale. The AI automatically match you so far, say your profile is authentic and credible, and it shows them what they want to see, and it's something that is appealing. They will definitely match you because there's no much competition going on. So as you can see, once you click on register, you can see start living your work dream. So you can click here if you want to hire a freelancer, and you can click here if you want to work as a freelancer. You understand? So anyone you want to do, you can easily click there. So but for the purpose of this, I'll click on I want to be a freelancer and click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, it will load up and ask you for your email and your password and your first name. Please put your correct information here and easily put this. click on sign up. So it will load up, guys. And another bonus tip is to start with the low price, then gradually you grow up your pricing up to 100 USD as the case may be. So after applying to be a freelancer, just make sure you take your time, and if they approve you, okay, they sent me an email to confirm. So thank you for signing up, send you an email. So after that, you tell them about yourself, you select your skill, add references, set your site preferences, and personalize your application and all that. After doing it, you post it and send it to them. It takes up to like 3 days. They will review your application and know if you are credible to join them. Once you are credible to join them, they will send you an email saying that you are approved. And once you are approved, you now build your profile, put your profile picture and all the samples of stuff you have done before, like the former designs you have done. For example, you're a graphic designer, all these designs you have done in the past, just upload it there so that people will see your work and be able to engage you or judge you based on your work. Understand? And one good thing is that they work per hour, they pay you per hour. So that's, as the name implies, people per hour. So that's very cool. So if you join here, it's way better than Fiverr. So the link will be on the description box below. So this is how you basically sign up, and once you fill this, you'll be able to go. So like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified each time I drop awesome videos like this. So that being said, guys, a playlist will pop up on your screen. Make sure you click on that playlist and watch as much videos as you can, showing you guys different ways to make money online in 2020. So guys, I will see you on my next video.